push your shit up, boy, too. Why don't you put that down over there? Get it. Walk back.
Ifa really real.
Ifa Dorio. Ifa Dorio. Okay. Quick, y'all did a good job and everything. I appreciate it. So today, real quick, let's concentrate on the first one. Eji Ogbe. Let's do Irete Wori, because that's the first one I'm gonna train you on how to use in Agbaye. So listen. Say the first part together. You ready? Atepa Wori.
Atepa Wori.
Atepa Wori. Okay, now listen. Atepa Wori. Difa fun erin, nijoti erin, shower loss, okay, hello, wonderful koshe, atagba, atiagba, atijoko, toni kerin madolo, tune erin, nijolo. Okay? So just hear it, because that's the way I learned it first. I heard it, and then it came to me as I heard it many times over, okay? So that's slow. So you hear maybe a little faster. But let's start with Eji Ogbe. Okay, Eji Ogbe. Alright, so it's all ones. Always 4 marks, okay? Alright? And when you see some babala, we'll finish that line off like that. Finish that line off like this. So I want you guys to learn 4 stanzas to start off, okay? So atele woni baba ara, atele se ni baba ona, ko bajuto baje woni tarashe difa formula baba no reta hiyo ni faso biba. Wani kiko karani labo niko washe, talo leba watunta washe, erigi Allah. Ifalo leba watunta washe, erigi Allah. That's telling the story of when Orumila went to Babalao to make his journey on the way to fix spoiled destiny sweeter. So it's asking you, it's telling you the feet is the father of walking, and Napalm is father of the body. So that's the divider that casts for Orumila. And then if I told Orumila that he should make able to make his life sweeter, to make the journey sweet, so that his life would be sweeter in return. And so he made Ebo. So then the question is put to Ifa, it's like, who is it that can fix spoiled destiny? Erigi Allah. Erigi Allah is an alias for Orumila. Okay? So then it says Ifa is the only one that can fix spoiled destiny. Erigi Allah. And then the second stanza goes, Irula Goribe, Opago Koide, Je, Adifa Fula Table, Tisha Ya Eji Ogbe, Tumwara Yempore Boyote, Wanikiko Karani Labo Nika Washe, Osho Ele, Fe New York, Witemi, and New York, Oshanio Palaroka, and New York. Aja Ele, Fe New York, Witemi, and New York, Oshanio Palaroka, and New York. This is telling you about Eji Ogbe. You don't speak negatively about Eji Ogbe. As it says that this is his offspring of Eji Ogbe, okay, that people will say it's going to lead a shameful life, you know, that wouldn't have any children, wouldn't be successful, and went to Babalao, and Babalao said you should do Ebo, as per what Ifa said in your do. Did Ebo, and ever since the Omo did Ebo, ever since that day, even the witches, when the witches speak of Eji Ogbe, they use a sweet tongue. It's because sweet tongue or Risha will kill anyone who speaks negatively about Eji Ogbe. And same thing of the wizards. Ever since that day, the wizards would use a sweet tongue when you speak of Omo Eji Ogbe. Because Eji Ogbe speaks of long life, Aiku, okay? And so that's telling you how people should be towards Eji Ogbe. It's a very clean Odu, Obatala, very, very, very white Odu. So those are the 2 beginning. We'll give you the other ones later as they come, or maybe do you want to hear one more, or maybe 2 more from Eji Ogbe? 2 more from Eji Ogbe. Okay. Tono difa gbe oko to ma jebe abede owo lukida no difa fun lukida ni jodi o lukida fun gbogbo isowo asete aboloni ko se o be bombo o se bo obede ade o awo lukida ifa majo lukida ko se asete abede o de o awo lukida edumare maje ko lukida ko se asete Eji ni mo pe mi o pe nikan. Adifa foju oro de chaya ba omi. Nijo to fo mi oju sobere to mo boloni ko ro boloni ko se. Oju oro de wa ya ba omi. Iba yi modele o kan mi wuru. Oju oro de wa ya ba omi. Talking about looking for a woman that's better so that she could do able when we see this woman and she will then have children because people are looking down on her. See, Eji Ogbe is one Odu that picks people up. It's an Odu that is senior because it's the first. That's the very first one you learn. Okay, and then real quick, before we finish today, we'll do all twos, which will bring you to Oyeku Meji. Okay? Just one Oyeku Meji. Okay, because we're not even going there, but just so you can hear it. Iwo ye, amio ye, oye sheshe la oba loke omu ara ye she bojumolumo. Adi Bafagunwa, eyiti boniko loko lomo ni inu bibeli. Woni kiko karakiri ya boniko ruwa boniko she. Agondele o shebo. Agondele o bebombo o shebo. Ashe mama gondele lorukoti wuru sokwe. Ebani ni jabutu omo labani lesson. Okay, just so you can hear that. Okay, so that's where we're gonna start today, and then we're gonna get deeper into the first four stanzas that we just did, and the first Ireti Iwori that we did for Aboriru. Okay, that's gonna be next week. Okay, okay, that's it. Aboru, Aboye, Abokishio, Abuato, Asiri, Iwori. Okay.